Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're making the ultimate comfort food, super cheesy baked potatoes. It's so easy and delicious. You'll be making this all the time. First, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, grab 2 large potatoes, give them a good wash, and poke some holes with a fork. Rub them with a bit of oil and salt. Then pop them in the oven for about an hour until they're nice and soft. Once they're done, carefully slice them open. Add a knob of butter, a pinch of salt, pepper, and some garlic powder for extra flavor. Give it a gentle mix inside the potato. Now for the best part, stuff it with a generous cup of shredded cheese. I'm using a mix of cheddar and mozzarella. Pop it back in the oven for another 5 to 8 minutes, until all that cheese is melted and bubbly. Finish it off with a dollop of sour cream and a sprinkle of fresh spring onions. Look at that! So good. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for more easy recipes. Thanks for watching.